How to download your account statement on OKX Exchange. So if you want to download your account statement on OKX Exchange, it's actually quite very simple for us to do so. So all you have to do is, first of all, make sure to launch the OKX app and you're on the exchange over here. So you want to download all of your statement for the year or for the month. Now to do so, what you have to do is on the top left, you can see the multiple dots icon. Make sure to tap on that particular icon and you will set this option right here. If you scroll down to the more option, you can find the option that says account statement. So of course you can tap on account statement there, and here you can see the download button for all the last 12 months of your statements. So they will be available for the last 12 months, so you can choose to tap the download button to download the statements for those year and for those month. Now if you want to find just your history generic transactions, then you can go to transaction and you can filter them accordingly as well. That's all it takes for us to find our and download the account statement on OKX. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.